Do you like to shop? Do you like buying things online? Now you can make money while you shop. In this online generation, life is made easy for you. You don't need to go out of your home to buy many things that you want in life. You can just order for what you want online at your convenience. Now, imagine, you earn money and lots of it as high as 40% of all your spending online. That looks cool, right? This is an opportunity for you to make money when you shop for what you need in life from some major brands. This is life you are being paid for shopping. Very cool experience you will not want to miss. This is a system that is completely free to sign up and works in many countries around the world. The only challenge you may face in implementing this system is the need to get the money for you to shop online before you earn money from this system. Well, I will show you how you will be able to go around this challenge if you watch this video to the end. Please try not to skip any part of this video, so that you will not miss any step along the way. Before I continue this video, I welcome you to this channel, Ready Money, where you will get to learn how to make money online in a legitimate and easy way. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will get to see more videos on making money online from this channel. If you find value from this video, please don't hesitate to give a thumbs up for this video. Now, the website I will like you to check out for this video is mypoints.com. At MyPoints, you will get to earn points by shopping at your favorite sites online. You will be able to earn up to 40% of all your spending back with any purchases at 2,000 top retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, Home Profit, and Amazon. This is a very exciting opportunity for you to earn as you shop online. It is like almost buying things free or at least half the price. This is how it works on mypoints.com. First, you will start shopping at mypoints.com and find the fastest sales coupons, promo code, and deals from thousands of shops worldwide each month. Secondly, each points on every dollar you spend. You will need to click on the links to the product and make your order from the online store and browse, and your purchase is noted by MyPoints. Thirdly, you will always receive alerts in your browser for point earning opportunities and coupon codes when shopping online. Wow! This is an exciting opportunity to earn money while you shop. Now, the next way you earn money from this website is to answer surveys questions on mypoints.com. You will earn points when you share your opinion by completing some online surveys. As you share your opinion and buying habits with major brands, you will earn money. Some of the major brands you will get to share opinion may include Target, Macy's, The Home Depot, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, Groupon, eBay, Expedia, and many more. As you accumulate points from shopping and talking surveys on the websites, you will redeem your points for money on this website. Yes, you will be able to cash out your points whenever you want for your favorite gift card or get a transfer to your PayPal account. There are hundreds of rewards you can earn when you shop on your major brands through mypoints.com. Some of these money-making rewards includes TGI Fridays, Rewards Olive Garden Rewards, Bath and Body Works, CVS Extra Bucks, Ultimate Rewards, Sephora Beauty Rewards, Chili Rewards, Domino Pizza Rewards, MyPoints Rewards, Longhorn Rewards, Google Play Rewards, Burger King, Walmart Rewards, Amazon Prime, Groupon, and more. If you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button now. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. It will mean so much to us. The interesting about this system is that it is free to join, and does not require any subscription fee. Yes, you will get to sign up to MyPoints free and earn a $10 bonus instantly. If you don't have money to shop, then you can just concentrate on taking the surveys to earn money. As you take the surveys, you will earn points, and these points will be redeemed for PayPal money or Amazon gift cards. Now, to get signed up on this website and earn money is very easy. All you will need to do is to head to the sign-up form displayed on the homepage here and fill in your details. You will then click on the option to select either Amazon gift card or Visa gift card, for you to earn the $10 welcome bonus when you sign up on this website. Then, you put in your email address here. You will put in your password here. And then you will click on Join Now, and boom, you are now registered to start earning money. Ciao.